Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on a safety feature called maintenance mode on your S25 Ultra. So if there's something wrong with your S25 Ultra and you're giving this to a phone shop for repair, however, you don't want them to access your data, so your photos or your messages, then let me show you how to turn on maintenance mode, which basically stops them accessing any of your data on the phone. So to do this, you want to go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right. Now scroll down until you see device care. Tap on this. Now scroll down until you see maintenance mode. So go ahead and tap on this. So now this maintenance mode will protect your privacy while someone else is using your phone, such as when you're sending it for repair. So how does it work? So it only pre-installs apps which are available. Personal data, including pictures, messages, and accounts, can't be accessed and downloaded, and apps are hidden. You'll need to unlock your phone to turn off maintenance mode. So what happens when you turn off maintenance mode? Everything will go back to the way it was when maintenance mode was first turned on. Nothing will be saved that happened while the maintenance is switched on, such as downloading any apps, data, or settings. Before you go to maintenance mode, backing up your data is recommended just in case data is lost while your phone is being repaired. So once you're ready, tap turn on. And then go ahead and tap on restart, and this will turn on maintenance mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to keep your Samsung S25 Ultra safe while it's in the repair shop. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.